Have you ever felt like you're constantly overspending and not sure where your money is going? Or maybe you're trying to save up for a big purchase and need a way to track your progress. If so, then Goodbudget is the perfect budgeting app for you. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create envelopes in Goodbudget, which is a great way to organize your finances and stay on track with your budget. Goodbudget is a budgeting app that uses the envelope system. The envelope system is a simple way to budget your money by dividing it into different categories or envelopes. For example, you might have an envelope for groceries, another for rent, and another for entertainment. This helps you to see where your money is going and makes it easier to stick to your budget. Step 1. Create a new budget. To create a new budget in Goodbudget, simply click on the New Budget button. You will then be asked to enter your income and expenses. Once you have entered your income and expenses, Goodbudget will automatically create a budget for you. Step 2. Create envelopes. Once you have created your budget, you can start to create envelopes. To create a new envelope, simply click on the New Envelope button. You will then be asked to enter a name for your envelope and a budget amount. Step 3. Add transactions to your envelopes. Once you have created your envelopes, you can start to add transactions to them. To add a transaction to an envelope, simply click on the envelope and then click on the Add Transaction button. You will then be asked to enter the amount of the transaction and the category. Step 4. Track your progress. Once you have started to add transactions to your envelopes, you can track your progress by looking at the Budget Overview page. This page will show you how much money you have spent in each envelope and how much money you have left to spend. Tips: use descriptive envelope names. This will help you to easily identify your envelopes and keep track of your spending. Set realistic budget amounts. Don't set budget amounts that are too high or too low. Review your budget regularly. This will help you to make sure that you are on track with your goals. Creating envelopes in Goodbudget is a great way to organize your finances and stay on track with your budget. By following the steps in this video, you can easily create envelopes and start using Goodbudget to manage your money. If you're looking for a budgeting app that can help you save money and reach your financial goals, I highly recommend Goodbudget. You can download the app for free from the App Store or Google Play. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.